All right, I'm going to share my Flash Fiction page. I have all of my units of study that take place in creative writing uploaded here onto the website. And this is valuable, I feel, because all of the documents that we use to support our learning can be found on this website, and it's well organized. Right now, I have just been in my creative writing class sharing documents with students' Google accounts. But then if a parent were to have a question about something we're doing, they cannot see the documents unless their child shares them with them. So by having it on the website, it allows both students and their parents and guardians to see what we're working on in class. So I have embedded some of the documents for the class into the website. All right, so there you can see discussion questions and some links for what students are supposed to do during this unit, and a rubric there. And this is how I did this. I went up and I clicked Edit Page, and then when I wanted to insert a document, I would put my cursor where that should be inserted, and I went to Insert, then went over here to Drive, and then I would go to Document. Alright, and then I would search for the document that I want to search for. So I see that I have the Flash Fiction Review article. I kept everything here standard, and then I pressed Save. Once I pressed Save, the Google document would appear, and then I would click Save here, and the Google document appears as it would look if you opened Google Drive. So that is how I added in each of these articles, and I did the same thing 3 times. You can see that I also have separated the articles by putting a header. And so what I did there was I went to Edit, and I wanted to add in a header, so I would type in Flash Fiction Review Article. Sorry about that, article. And then to make sure it was a header, I would highlight it. I would come up here to Format, and I actually have it as subheading 3. So I put it subheading 3, I click on that, and it becomes a header. And then based on my site template, it also puts this line in there. The reason that I put it as a header was so that I could put it in the table of contents, so that you can see once I've saved, the header is there. The header will show up in the table of contents. I was able to make a table of contents by going up to the Edit button and putting my cursor where I wanted it to go, and I would insert table of contents, and I kept the standard width, and I showed all levels, and I pressed Save, and then it looks like there's nothing in the table of contents, but as soon as you press Save, you can see the table of contents comes in there. You're able to click on each one, and it brings you down to the part of the page that you would like to look at. So that is how I made the pages that I think are most valuable on this website.